And we're back at the flatbed. He put this 2x2 on here. I don't know if he wants me to fasten this or just weld it, but I'll talk with him. I just need to weld all the way down. He got tires and wheels on, it looks like. I'm gonna he got these cut out for the lights. Yep, good. I'm gonna put all the lights in, start wiring everything for him. All right, every marker light needs a ground, so I put a hole for a fastener. I'm gonna put a 1/4-inch fastener, and then I can ground everything here, and then I can run one single power line down to the middle of that break right there, and then run it all the way to the outside as well. So start running wire. All right, I got holes cut for all of the power, or the power wire. I'm gonna do one single wire and then just chain it in and reroute it into the middle of the trailer between the axles where the marker light is. So I'm gonna have power wire going this way and power wire going that way, and then it'll connect in the middle. Jumping quite a bit ahead, I wired all the lights in. All of the tops are welded on top as well. I just built this big tower for them. I gotta rough in the lights here. All the lights are roughed in right now, but I need to finish the front terminal box and put some lights on the rear, and then make sure all the lights and wiring is working. And then when he puts wood on the top, he's just gonna staple this to the wood. I got all the lights working, all the brakes working. Just need to show. We already tested everything, but help if I plugged it in. Yep, all lights down the side work. All lights down this side work. I can see that all the lights work on the back. Left turn is on and working. Right turn is on and working. Now the brakes work. We are good to go. He's gonna do all the shrink wrap because he's gonna board everything up, or he's gonna do all the shrink on this. He's gonna board it all up. Ooh, I do need to splice in a wire right there actually. Wire spliced in, had some exposed wiring right there, so I just had to put a butt connector, bridging it. There are my welds for the pipe. Everything's nice and sturdy for him. He's only gonna use this for a couple trips and it's gonna be done, but he's legal. This trailer's done though. I'm on to the next.